Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Casio Oceanus watches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the men's WV58A-1A VCR Waveceptor Black Resin Band Digital Watch. This entry-level model from Casio's Waveceptor series showcases practicality and affordability, making it an excellent choice for someone seeking a reliable everyday watch. Featuring a durable stainless steel case paired with a lightweight black resin band, this watch is designed to endure daily wear while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. The digital display is protected by a mineral crystal window, ensuring basic scratch resistance. In terms of performance, the WV58A-1A VCR stands out with its quartz movement and world time functionality, which lets you track time across multiple zones, a feature especially useful for travelers. It also includes a stopwatch, day-date month calendar, and water resistance up to 165 feet, though it lacks advanced features like solar charging or radio control. It performs well within its intended scope. The WV58A-1A VCR is ideal for budget-conscious consumers who want a straightforward, functional watch without breaking the bank. The main downside here is the absence of premium materials like titanium or sapphire glass, and the lack of warranty clarity may be a concern for some buyers. Overall, it's a great starter watch for someone looking for basic functionality at an accessible price point. Taking the number 3 spot is the Casio Oceanus Men's Solar Radio-Controlled Watch, OCW S400SG2 AJF. This watch is part of Casio's Oceanus lineup, which is known for blending elegant design with cutting-edge technology. The OCW S400SG2 AJF features a sleek, jewelry clasp and a modern aesthetic, making it perfect for formal occasions or professional settings. Its understated design is complemented by premium materials, although additional details like case material and dial specs are less clear. Performance-wise, this watch excels with solar-powered functionality and radio-controlled timekeeping, ensuring precision and convenience. It's designed for users who value accuracy without sacrificing style. While it may lack some of the advanced features seen in higher-end models, it delivers solid performance for its price range. The 2012 model year may make it slightly dated, but it remains a strong contender for anyone seeking a balance between form and functionality. The OCW S400SG2 AJF is ideal for professionals and style-conscious consumers who want a reliable watch that complements their wardrobe. The main drawback here is the price, which may be steep for some buyers, especially given the limited information on its build quality. Still, it's a beautiful watch for those who appreciate minimalist sophistication. Coming in at number 2 is the Oceanianis OCWT1502 AJF Multiband 6. This premium watch is designed for enthusiasts who prioritize precision and durability. Featuring a tang buckle clasp and a modern design, the OCWT1502 AJF stands out with its sophisticated blue dial and high-quality craftsmanship. Although specific details about case and band materials are limited, it's clear that this watch is meant to be a premium offering. The Multiband 6 functionality is a standout feature, allowing the watch to sync with atomic clocks across 6 regions for unparalleled accuracy. Combined with solar-powered movement, this ensures the watch maintains precise time without the need for manual adjustments or battery replacements. It's a 2014 model, but remains relevant due to its advanced technological features. However, it does lack warranty support, which could be a concern for some buyers. At $479.98, the OCWT1502 AJF delivers excellent performance for tech-savvy users who demand reliability and precision. The only downside is the price, which places it firmly in the premium category. If you're looking for cutting-edge accuracy and are willing to invest, This watch is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Casio OCW S400SG2 AJR Manta Oceanus 20th Anniversary Japan Import, new 2024. This watch is the pinnacle of Casio's Oceanus lineup, celebrating 20 years of innovation. Its striking design and premium materials make it a true statement piece. The OCW S400SG2 AJR features an elegant and intricate design that exemplifies high-end craftsmanship. Although specific technical details are not provided, leaving room for curiosity about its build and features. This watch offers a blend of luxury and performance, catering to collectors and enthusiasts who value exclusivity. However, at a price point of $1,199, it's a significant investment. While it's likely packed with advanced features, including solar-powered movement and radio-controlled timekeeping, its price tag places it out of reach for most casual buyers. The OCW S400SG2 AJR is perfect for collectors and those looking for a luxury timepiece to commemorate a special occasion. The main drawback is its price, which may not offer proportional value to some buyers. Still, as a limited edition model celebrating a milestone, it's a worthy choice for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.